Hello, and thank you for taking the time to review our first half of the 2024 SuccessFactors release highlights. My name is Daniel George, and I'm a consultant certified in Employee Central Performance and Goals and Time Management. I'm located in the UK and work for Veritas Prime, a global SAP SuccessFactors partner. We are one of the world's leading HR transformative consultancies. We specialize in implementing and supporting success factors with clients across the globe. As part of our release coverage, I will be reviewing some key release updates for performance and goals. For complete release analysis, you can connect with us on our website at veritasprime.com, just at the bottom there, and the contact us link, or for our current clients, please reach out to your projects manager or CSM. Let's just begin with our first highlight, with no further ado. AI assisted writing in SAP SuccessFactors applications. So employees can use the AI assisted writing tool to enhance the quality of content they write in text fields. Within the SAP SuccessFactors applications. This is really like kind of a nice tool and kind of feeds into this an AI theme that's been rolling out over the last few years. So the AI assisted writing tool is an interactive tool that uses a generative AI capabilities to assist users and within the system with their writing tasks. Of course, there are some following tasks and summary capabilities offered just below there, so we can see the employees can use the tool to enhance the quality of the content they write in the text fields and provides additional actions, the context of the tasks. It provides the option to communicate a message in fewer or more words and transform paragraphs to bulleted lists, and it also ensures improved readability and kind of gives that consistent tone without the communication within an audience group in the organization. So this tool really helps to kind of enhance that employee experience to optimize productivity within this module. You can refer to another item code on a release highlight just at the bottom tier, and that's also another kind of release around the AI. This is specifically for personal goals, but again, it's another capability with this overall AI assisted writing. Something key to note that this does require an SAP license, so please reach out if you're a new customer. Please reach out to us, and we can walk you through that process. And if you're a current client, please reach out to your project manager or CSM, and we can look into that if this is something you wish to. Okay. Moving on to the next highlight. Autosave supported in calibration. So there's been a few changes made in the kind of calibration scenarios, and these changes now are automatically saved. So previously users had to save these changes manually within this suite, but now there's a few actions that if they're taken within the calibration, it will automatically save. So some of the changes are if a user drags and drop employees within the individual bins, and this also like auto saves the calibration session if users mark or unmark employees as discussed, users export or print calibration sessions, and a few other actions noted there. So this really kind of helps this feature by reducing any risk of accidental data loss and just improving that overall experience. We've heard oftentimes that sometimes users might be in the calibration session, might forget to save, and causes issues somewhere else. So this is really a handy feature. It is automatically on with this new release. So yeah, it's a new handy feature within calibration. Moving on. The next highlight we have here is the redesigned experience for goal creation options. So in the latest goal management, a new goal creation option page is introduced to users to choose how they would like to create a personal goal. So if you can see on the image on the right there, we can see a new pop-up page on the directory page for employees or users within the system. And when they're going ahead to create a goal, you can see they have some options there. So create from scratch, copy from goal plan, and create from library. Depending on how the configuration is set up within the system, you can get these options as you can see in that image. Additionally, there's an added breadcrumb trail that allows you to navigate back and forth, check information that's provided in whichever steps within that kind of goal creation process and for that personal goal. So it really just boosts that user experience, kind of enhances the user for better context regarding when creating that personal goal. So it's a really nice uplift towards the experience for the employee creating goals within this module. And again, just with this one, it's automatically on as well. So as soon as the release can push that in production, of course, it's just automatically on. The next highlight we have here is view and continuous feedback from activity and achievement details area in continuous performance management. So with this highlight here, employees and managers are able to view linked continuous feedback from the activity details in the continuous performance management. So this is really kind of a nice release that's come out, because previously within this continuous feedback page in the details area, you wouldn't be able to see feedback received on that particular activity. But now, as you can see in the image on the right, just at the bottom here, you can see the feedback that's been received for that particular activity. So from an initial perspective, once you open up those details, you can immediately see that feedback. It just improves that, that overall experience within the continuous feedback, looking through activities and having those general discussions, and looking into with your goals and your activities. So it really just enhances that experience. It's a really handy feature there. The next highlights we have is goal weight display. So in the latest goal management, goal weight is displayed in the goal plan header and on goal cards. So if you can see on the image on the right, and you can see those red boxes. So, for example, on the introduction, on the customer satisfaction, those individual goal cards, you can see the little percentages given for those individual goals. And then at the top right, you can see the total weight of the goal plan level. And this is also shown as a percentage value. You can also, add some configuration to this, some maximum, minimum, total goal weights for goal categories. Again, if you'd like to know more, then please reach out. This feature is automatically enabled via this new release. And then, like I said, this is also a customer community idea. So with this feature, it does kind of give users that immediate access to their goal weights of individual goals at first glance, which is really, really handy feature and kind of speeds up that process and enhances that kind of user experience. Here we have the appendix, which is an indication of the implementation effort. So if you've had the opportunity to review our What's New Viewer Excel spreadsheet, within there you can see how we've kind of labeled out individual for all the release highlights, the implementation effort for that. So if you're a new customer, then please reach out to us via the website. If you're an existing customer, then please reach out to a CSM or project manager, and we can kind of go through the implementation effort regarding any of these really highlights that I've discussed. That brings me to the end of our presentation. Thank you for taking the time to review our first half of 2024 release highlights. For complete release analysis, like I said previously, you can connect with us via our website, or for current clients, please reach out to your project manager or CSM. Thank you very much. Have a great day.